Hey, this is Fuzle from Clicks to Conversion. In this video, I'm going to share with you a case study of a countertop. Countertop is kind of kitchen remodeling services, but they only solely focusing on to build or design the countertop of the kitchen. So this video is a case study video, share with you or reveal the ad groups and the keywords and all this nitty-gritty of a Google Ads campaign to make it successful and share with you a strategy as long as what actually works for us in order to drive it consistently for countertop business. So before I jump into let me share the last 30 days data and all the overview of the performance. As you can see that we have selected the last 30 days data, which is from December 14 to January 12, and this is the last 30 days. We are currently utilizing $42 as a daily budget, and within this combination of the budget, the CTO we received was 7.99%, which is good. Above 5% considered to be good as a CTO. The total number of click was received 118, and the average cost of click was 8.0T, and the total cost was 946, almost $950. And within this last 30 days, there is a 13 conversion at a cost per conversion was 72.83, and the conversion rate is 11.0. So if my client converted 2 to 3, they would make the money back. Even they don't need to be convert the 13 lead. At this budget, they receive a very decent amount of lead at a very reasonable cost. As you know, the countertop service business, people have to pay more than 5,000 to 50,000 even for countertop design and installation, all those services, right? So it's a high ticket services, so the business have opportunity to make their money back out of those marketing costs. The conversion, the one thing I wanted to tell you is the conversion is to fill out the code form in the landing page or make a phone call from the ad itself or in the landing page. Let me go to the ad groups and show you the ad group that we utilize. So here is a 13 or 14 ad group that we utilize and put the keywords based off of the materials and the geo-targeted ad group. So as you maybe know about the countertop, there is a bunch of countertop based off of the materials like granite, marble, and quartz, and so we added those keywords based off of the keyword theme under specific ad group. And then also we have some ad group with like geo-targeted, like a countertop in San Diego, countertop in Bay Area. Let's go to the keywords to see how we structure the keywords. So these are the keywords that we utilize, as you can see, and the number of the click. The first one got like a 2 conversion, and the number of click was 26, and next one got 18, and at conversion was 2. Also, where is the cost per conversion? Let me go to the system report. So here's the system report. As you can see, there is a bunch of system. I also have the competitor name, so we usually add them as a negative keyword in order to save the wasted ad spend, to save the wasted ad spend, right? So this is very simple. We open use the same structure across the countertop business account, and we found this works really well. We have also a campaign, just a campaign to create the awareness in the market. So I don't want to be focusing on. I will be only sharing the source campaign data. And I can't share with you the ad. I can't reveal the business name of my client, so I can't share with you the ads or the landing page. But I wanted to tell you one thing about the ad to make it successful is order to make do pay attention to your landing page and the offer you'd offer. Okay, so if you do run manage the campaign for counter business, make sure the offer is well enticing. Okay, the consider the those element what makes people to take a service from a counter business, the price, the material option, and this kind of things. Okay, so be open to your client about like we have it having a discussion with your client to offer a very enticing offer so that people can't ignore once they visit the landing page. That's the things. Okay, so pay attention to it and you will see the results is coming in. And for ad or the ad group structure, you can do the same thing what you have done, or even you can go for a lean approach, like you create a one ad group and just put some keyword related to countertop. It is still going to be work. We have tested the lean and this kind of a structure, both are working, but to make sure that is your landing page offer is well enough to get those strangers click as a lead. Okay, so and if you wanted to be managed successfully for over the time, the thing that you need to be do is check the performance in every week to make sure that the ad click is relevant, like your ad is getting click on a relevant search pages, and there is a less competitor name because competitor usually with the budget, so it's better to add the competitor name in the negative keyword list and also pause the derived keyword, which considered like getting like a 20 clicks, 15 clicks, but no conversion in the last 30 days. So it's better to off or utilize a new one instead. So this is it. Is if you still have any question, you can drop them in the comment below, and I will try to answer. Thanks for watching.